Hi, let's check your readiness for the DMV test. Let's go. In this video, we will consider 5 questions on the topic of new and updated rules New York DMV Test 2026. You will have 10 seconds to answer. And question, what is the new threshold for possible license suspension in New York starting in February 2026? A. 12 points within 36 months. B. 10 points within 24 months. C. 11 points within 18 months. Time. Correct answer. B. 10 points within 24 months. Explanation. Beginning in 2026, New York lowered the suspension review threshold. 10 points within 24 months, previously 11 points within 18 months. Next question. How many points are now added for using a handheld phone while driving in New York in 2026? A. 3 points. B. 6 points. C. 5 points. Time. Correct answer. B. 6 points. Explanation. Handheld phone use is now penalized with 6 points due to stricter distracted driving enforcement. Next question. How many points are added for speeding 1 to 10 miles per hour over the limit in New York in 2026? A. 2 points. B. 3 points. C. 4 points. Time. Correct answer. C. 4 points. Explanation. Even minor speeding violations now result in 4 points, reflecting tougher safety rules. Next question. How many points does a driver receive in New York for defective headlights or taillights after the 2026 changes? A. 1 point. B. 0 points, fine only. C. 3 points. And time. Correct answer. A. 1 point. Explanation. Equipment violations that previously carried no points now result in 1 point. Last question. Which violation now results in 8 points in New York in 2026? A. Parking violations. B. Reckless driving or passing a stopped school bus. C. Crossing a double solid line. Time. Correct answer. B. Reckless driving or passing a stopped school bus. Explanation. Reckless driving and passing a stopped school bus with flashing signals are now punished with 8 points due to increased safety enforcement. Tip. These changes take effect in February 2026, and violations now significantly increase the risk of license suspension, not just fines. Write in the comments if you answered correctly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss new tests. Thanks for watching.